Imagine having the skills to stop cyber attacks before they happen. Every day, hackers attempt millions of cyber attacks targeting companies, governments, and individuals. That's why the world needs skilled cybersecurity professionals more than ever. Welcome to A7 Security Hunters, a platform dedicated to training the next generation of ethical hackers and cybersecurity experts. Our CEEH, Certified Expert Ethical Hacker Certification, is designed to teach you real-world cybersecurity skills including ethical hacking, penetration testing, network security, and digital forensics. With hands-on labs, practical training, and expert guidance, you will learn how hackers think and how security professionals protect systems from cyber threats. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or an IT professional looking to upgrade your skills, this program can help you start a successful career in cybersecurity. The future belongs to those who understand cybersecurity. Start your journey today with A7 Security Hunters and become a certified ethical hacker. Visit www.a7securityhunters.com, www.a7securityhunters.in, and take the first step towards your cybersecurity career today.